Hey everybody, Kija here and welcome back to my channel. Living with chronic pain can be tough, believe me, I know, but over time I've learned some tricks to help me manage the pain and start my day off right. So today, I'm excited to share my personal morning routine with you guys, designed specifically to minimize pain and set a positive tone for the day. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. We're going to kick off this routine with some gentle stretches. And don't worry, I'm not talking about anything too strenuous here. The goal is to gently wake up those muscles and joints, easing them into the day ahead. Focus on your problem areas, but remember, listen to your body and stop if you feel any sharp pain. For me, I like to start with some neck rolls and shoulder shrugs, just to release that tension we all carry from sleep. Then I move on to some gentle back stretches and hamstring stretches. These stretches are key for improving flexibility and range of motion, which are super important when you're dealing with chronic pain. Next up is something we should all be doing every morning: hydrating. Now, I know you've heard it a million times, but trust me on this one. Drinking a large glass of water as soon as you wake up can work wonders for chronic pain. You see, when we're dehydrated, our bodies can't function at their best, and that includes managing pain signals. Water helps to flush out toxins, reduce inflammation, and even improve joint lubrication. And the best part? It's such a simple habit to incorporate into your routine. I like to keep a big water bottle by my bed so I can easily reach for it first thing in the morning. And throughout the day, I make sure to keep sipping on water to stay consistently hydrated. Now let's move on to the mental aspect of managing chronic pain, which is just as important as the physical. Incorporating a few minutes of mindfulness or meditation into my morning routine has been a game changer. Mindfulness is all about being present in the moment and acknowledging your thoughts and feelings without judgment. It's about finding that inner peace and calm, even amidst the challenges of chronic pain. There are tons of different ways to practice mindfulness. You can try guided meditation apps, deep breathing exercises, or simply sit in a quiet space and focus on your breath. I personally enjoy starting my day with a short gratitude meditation. It helps me shift my focus to the positive and sets a more optimistic tone for the day ahead. Pacing is all about finding that sweet spot between doing too much and not doing enough. It's about respecting your limits but not letting chronic pain completely control your life. Start by planning your day and breaking down tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. Instead of trying to do everything at once, spread it out throughout the day. And remember those breaks. They are non-negotiable, my friends. Schedule regular breaks into your day to rest and recharge. Listen to your body and don't hesitate to adjust your plans as needed. Remember, it's okay to say no to things or ask for help when you need it. Let's talk about breakfast. The most important meal of the day, right? But when you're living with chronic pain, what you eat for breakfast can make a big difference. Opt for a nutritious breakfast that focuses on anti-inflammatory foods. These foods can help reduce inflammation in the body, which in turn can help manage pain levels. Some of my favorite anti-inflammatory breakfast options include overnight oats with berries and nuts, smoothies packed with leafy greens and fruits, and whole wheat toast with avocado. Remember, food is fuel, and choosing the right fuel can make a world of difference in how you feel throughout the day. So there you have it, my chronic pain morning routine. These are the things that have helped me tremendously on my journey, and I truly hope they bring you some relief as well. Remember, consistency is key. Try incorporating these steps into your daily routine and see what a difference it can make. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, managing chronic pain is a journey, and it's important to find what works best for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.